Hello and welcome. This is Varun, Technical Advisor Design and Prototyping and Educational Consultant for tutormash.com. In this session, we'll be discussing about working with GIZMOS. 3D GIZMOS are really essential while you are designing 3D models. The first gizmo that we have to learn here is 3DMOVE. It will help you to display a 3DMOVE gizmo which will aid you in moving the object in the 3 dimension. Basically, this option is really useful when you design many complex structures and you have to move the objects in 3-dimensional space. You can also use this feature while you are doing the mechanical assembly drawings. Now let's see this option in the software. Consider I have a rectangle which is drawn like this. Right. Let me make it as a surface by using the command plane surf and press enter, going with the option object from here. Selecting the object this one and press enter. So this becomes a surface on this XY plane. Now if my requirement is to move this object parallel to XY plane at a height of 10, I can make use of the move gizmo, that is 3DMOVE, and press enter. This will activate you the 3DMOVE command, and now it is asking you to select the object. So this is my required object which I want to move. I will select this one and press enter to get the gizmo here like this. Correct. So when this is displayed, you can see the 3 axes are now showing with the object, that is the axis parallel to X, axis parallel to Y, and the axis parallel to Z. So you can select any of the 3 axes to make your object move in that direction. So my requirement is to move this object at a height of 10 towards the Z axis. So I will select the Z axis like this, and you will get a dialog box like this. That means one or more surfaces are associated with the defined curve. I will go with the continue option to continue doing my 3D move. So now you can see that the surface is now moving in the Z direction. So if I want a distance of 10, I can show the direction upwards or downwards and give the value. So for the time being, I will give towards upwards and give the value 10 and press enter. So now you can see that the object has moved towards the top direction at a height of 10. You can again use 3DMOVE to move this surface from this place to any of the other 3 directions. Let me move it towards the Y direction, selecting the Y axis like this and moving it towards the Y and giving some value, let's say 5, and press enter. So that means this surface has moved from the bottom at a height of 10 and then moved towards the negative Y direction at a value of 5. So it will look like this. Right. So like that, you can use 3DMOVE in various ways in the software. So that's the end of this session, and we hope you understood well. Keep posting your queries and feedback, and for more videos, log on to www.tutormash.com. Thank you.